guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just got back from vacation couple of days before, and look what I found on my doorstep. Well, actually it wasn't exactly on my doorstep, but on my friend's house, because I asked them to receive this beauty box for me. The fact is that the box arrived exactly on the same day when I left on 7th of August. The courier couldn't hold it so much for me, so in this case I had to redirect my box. So, if you didn't realize from the title of this video, today we are going to review and unbox the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of August. I already know what is on the box because, knowing that I will be gone, I was watching spoilers on some of the YouTubers that are getting this box as a PR, so I know the products that are inside, and I also opened it when I got it on Saturday because I wanted to see one of the products that were inside. It was the most exciting product for me, and I wanted to see, of course, how it looks like, and I will show you in a minute. But if you don't know anything about Lookfantastic Beauty boxes, I want just to give you a short info. I don't want to make this video really long because I'm planning to film another video with the products that I bought in my vacation, so I'll do a small beauty haul. So, beauty box, so Lookfantastic Beauty box is a beauty subscription, as the name it is. It's also telling. The price for the box, it is £15 per month, and it reduces the cost if you opt for 3, 6 or 12 months. You get inside 6 beauty items. The box tends to be more skincare oriented, however you get to try amazing brands. For me, this is my favorite beauty subscription, comparing price versus quality and the brands that I was lucky to discover within past 3 years, but I'm buying this box from almost 5 years. Just I wasn't a regular subscriber, I think, until 2.5 years or so. So yeah, there is that. They also offer international shipping, and the shipping is free all over the world. You get 6 beauty items, as I said. They can be either full size or deluxe size products. There is a good mix of skincare, hair care and makeup. The box for this month is orange, and while I'm opening it, I have here a quote that tells you sunshine is the best medicine, which is really true. I can vouch for that. I've got inside some discount for the Ocado supermarket, which is a online grocery store in UK. If you are interested about the codes, I can send them to you. Just let me know in your message down below. If I didn't mention before, Lookfantastic is a big online beauty retailer, and the beauty box, it is shipped all the way from UK. So you also get, sorry, my husband is watching the kids and they're really noisy today. My son didn't want to sleep, and he is almost impossible. It's almost 6 p.m, so 2 more hours and he will go for his nighttime. Inside you get a leaflet which tells you everything the products inside and also gives you the prices. And we are getting the sneak peek for the next month, which is a molten brown, orange and bergamot bath and shower gel, which retail for £7.30, and it looks like this. And I can tell you that this is the travel or deluxe size product, because the full size product retails for £22. I had a quick sneak peek on the Lookfantastic website, so I can give you an accurate info. So this is the travel size. I also had a travel size molten brown shower gel, which I was taking with me on vacation, and this is amazing. The smell is amazing. I think I had the ginger one. I don't have it with me right now, it's in travel bag. But yeah, really nice shower gel from Molten Brown. The tissue is also orange. Inside you get, as every month, the Elle magazine, and beside there are the actual products. Are you ready for the hottest summer ever? This month We are embracing the long warm days while avoiding sunburn at whatever cost. Our August Heatwave Beauty Box contains 6 summer essentials, helping you to switch up your daily look and discover some of our beauty savers to help beat the heat. In this month's Beauty Box edit, we are unveiling our ultimate guide to all things SPF, the best bronzing solutions, and our tips for getting beach ready. I already was on the beach, so yeah. Would have been nice to get this before going to actual beach. We hope you have a wonderful summer with the Lookfantastic Beauty Box. So this is neat. Now let's go to the first item, but before we are starting to show the products, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also like on this video, comment, give it some love or whatever you want. I will be really grateful if you will do that, and I will thank you in advance if you will do so. Now, let's start with the first product that was the sneak peek for the last month, and this is the actual Luxie brush. And the reason that I opened the box because I couldn't stand to see this beauty. This is the Luxie brush, and I love the actual handle. I hope you can tell. Now I have more light, I have a light box behind the actual camera, so I hope it's visible on camera. But oh my god, it is so soft. I never had a Luxie brush, and this is perfect for highlighting or for contouring, but I think it's also more suitable for me on my case to pack the setting powder on my under eye area, being so soft. Luxie 737 tapered highlighter brush, which retails for £26.50. So this is really expensive. Illuminate your natural glow with this highlighter brush. With a tapered shape, the 737 brush helps to emphasize high points of the face. Featuring long soft bristles combined with an ergonomic design, the Luxie 737 helps to blend powder seamlessly into the skin. How to use? Blend the desired product over the cheekbones, brow bones, nose and the inner corner of the eye for a lit from within look. Okay, so this is our first item, and the most exciting for me because I'm a brush hoarder. I don't know if I mentioned, if I'm repeating myself, please excuse me, but I'm really excited for this brush, and I would like Lookfantastic to put more brushes on their boxes, because everybody can use a good quality brush. Next product, it is a natural herb infused sheet mask, blemish control and rebalances complexion. Infused with a variety of herbs and vitamins, this multitasking mask rebalances the skin, reduces enlarged pores, and brightens the complexion. Ideal for hydrating and nourishing dry skin in the summer months, this mask soothes and protects after just one use. How to use? Wear this mask for between 15-20 minutes, massaging excess serum into the skin. Guys, you don't think that I'm not able to read or I need readers. It's not that. My problem is that even on my own language, I have the same problem while I'm reading loudly to the audience. I have the problem that my brain is reading faster than my actual mouth is able to speak. I'm not sure if this is called dyslexia or something, but this is my problem. I'm reading faster. It's something I cannot help, so that's the actual blabbling. The third product is by Vita Liberata, and I have another product from Vita Liberata, but I think this is more suitable for my skin. There is a sunset here on my window, so I can see on the viewfinder that I have an ugly line here, which I cannot help even with the lighting that I have in this room. Maybe I just need to lower the blinds. Okay, so I was telling that I have another Vita Liberata. I think I had it on my ASOS beauty box a while ago, but that one, it was really deep for my skin. I didn't open it yet. I didn't use it. I opened it at the time, but there is that. So Skin Tone Optimizer. Ah, no, I think this is something else. This is Vita Liberata Beauty Blur Skin Tone Optimizer in Latte, worth £12, and you get here 10 milliliters if I didn't tell you. Prep and perfect the skin with this moisturizing formula that works as a primer and self-tanner. Gliding effortlessly onto the skin, this tinted formula leaves skin looking naturally radiant, gradually tanning for a lasting glow. How to use? After moisturizing, use a brush to apply, blending over the face. The product looks like this, but I already have some tan, so I think this won't be so dark for me. It's quite nice, so I'm really chuffed to try this while the summer is still around. This is our third item. The fourth item, it's also really exciting, and is a highlighting palette by Bella Pierre. Heatwave Highlighting Palette. Look how nice the actual highlighters look like. I'm not sure if you are able to tell. They're really subtle. I like the third one, which is this one. Even if it is more rosy, this is really nice. But also this is nice for my skin tone. I'm already wearing a highlight, but yeah. So this is the second one. I never had a highlighting palette, so I'm really excited for that. The Bella Pierre highlighting palette retails for $29.99. Retails for $29.99. This Lookfantastic Beauty Box exclusive highlighting palette boasts 5 stunning and buttery colors. This palette can be used for strobing a subtle highlight or add a wash of color to your eyes. How to use? Dust across high points of the face. For more intense shimmer, spritz your makeup brush with a setting spray. 2 more products to go. Okay, so this is for sure a sample size. It's a lipstick from Douce Cosmetics. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So it looks like this. I'm better opening to show you. This is actually really pretty. I'm already wearing a pink lipstick, my Bare Minerals. But yeah, I'm really loving this baby. And our last product, which I also really love, is a Ritual Nourishing Body Cream, the Ritual of Holy, and you get here 100 milliliters or 3.3 fluid ounces. Ritual of the Holy Body Cream retails for $6.90. Bring a splash of color to your bathing regime with this luxurious body cream that softens and conditions. Infused with the delicate scent of flamingo flower and invigorate pink grapefruit, this quick absorbing cream melts effortlessly into the skin. Okay, let's give it a sniff. So this is how it looks. It's not. I thought that is more runny, more watery, but it's more creamy. I really love the scent. I cannot wait to use it. I have another body butter open from Body Shop, but after I will finish that, this is the next one on my list. Okay, so let's summarize what we got this month. This is one of the best Lookfantastic months from this year. So we've got a Luxie brush, a Douce lip stain, a Bella Pierre highlighting palette, a Natura herb infused sheet mask, a Ritual nourishing body cream in a very generous size, and a Vita Liberata Beauty Blur primer and self tanner. I'm really excited for this month. I will do the math and I will tell you the exact value of this month. So it's 92.2 pounds. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and follow me on my social. I will leave it here down below, and together with this I will also leave some other videos which I will recommend you to check. And other than that, I will see you again really soon. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye!